Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering your raw inputs and creating a tidy workbook. This saves hours later. Open a blank workbook, import CSVs, and convert each range to an Excel table. Tables auto-expand when you add rows. Next, create standardized headers: date, category, amount, vendor, transaction ID. Use text to columns if dates or numbers import as text. Once done, apply a consistent data type and a simple formatting style so formulas and pivots reference reliable fields. You now transform and enrich the data to extract insight. Add helper columns for month, quarter, and year using date functions so time analysis is easy. Calculate net and tax with simple formulas. Clean strings with trim and clean, convert numbers with value. Make a pivot table from the tables, group dates by month or quarter, and drag category to rows and sum of amount to values. Also create a small dynamic chart linked to the pivot for instant visual feedback. You finish by automating refresh and locking in accuracy. Replace manual joins with XLOOKUP or index/match, and use named ranges so formulas are readable. Load recurring imports into Power Query and set a refresh step to update with one click. Protect key sheets and add data validation to prevent bad entries. If something breaks, inspect hash value or hash ref. With evaluate formula, check formatting and table ranges, and roll back to the last working backup. This prevents our...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.